Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Lumen5 application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lumen5.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Lumen5 website. Now you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed with logging into your account if you wish to do so, but you can also directly install the application without logging in. Just click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then from the menu page hover over to the apps and click on install this site as an app. Now if you're using Chrome browser, then you will need to hover over to save and share and then click on create shortcut. Now you can name your application whatever you wish. So rename the app shortcut and you can also edit the application icon. Then click on install to install the application and open it in its own browser window. Make sure to check create desktop shortcut and click on allow and the yes button to install the application shortcut to your desktop. And now you can directly double click on the Lumen5 application shortcut from your desktop to access your Lumen5 account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Lumen5 application on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.